Web 3.0 is on everybody's tongue nowadays. Some say it is the next big thing, and some say it is just a hoax, so in this video, we will try to explain the basics of Web 3 and how it could help us and how long it will take to change the world as we know it. Web 3 is a third generation of the internet. Before that, there was Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, which is still in use, and many of us love it and criticize it. Web 1 was the foundation of a highway of data. Authorities developed their websites to share information with the public, and the public can only read the data and nothing else, the new big thing. Web 2 helped people to share their thoughts and a photo of cats and dogs on the internet so the rest of the world can admire their cuteness. It is still in use, and it gives us the freedom to share our voice with the world. But the case against Web 2 is that a few companies hold too much power and data about us. That makes them dangerous. New laws are being enforced that constrain their authority over our data, but the big companies are always good at finding loopholes, and we all have trust issues. Here Web 3 comes in. It is a third generation of the internet, and it uses many new techs like machine-based understanding of the data, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. But in a nutshell, it is a new age of iteration of internet services that are not under the control of a single authority. That means the data on Web 3 will not be owned or held by a third party. Instead, it will be controlled by the user in a blockchain. The internet will work peer-to-peer. That makes you an owner of your posts or content, and only you have control over it. Artificial intelligence and semantic web will revolutionize the internet experience for everyone, and here is how. Semantics will help the internet to understand the meaning of the information rather than using keywords to get the best result. AI and machine learning will help it further to improve and speed up the net surfing process. In the end, we all will get a faster and more personalized web experience. For example, the internet will become so smart that it will understand the meaning behind the search and your intent. And in the future, it will also recommend such type of content to you because it learns from your search pattern, and the more you use it, the more personalized it will become. The age of decentralization. Web 3 will enable its user to access connected data in a decentralized way. Unlike Web 2, which stores data at a centralized location, initially, the internet was based on decentralization. The idea was that anyone can own a domain and can move it from one host to another as they please with full authority. But with the passage of time, the internet has become more and more centralized. For example, when someone registers on any platform like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, you can't move your profile, channel, or page to somewhere along with your followers, friends, and content because you are tied to that network. The concept of Web 3 is to give ownership back to the owner of the data. Web 3 enables developers to develop apps and webs where users are not tied to the platform. Web 3 works on a peer-to-peer network built upon its users. The users will host this web or app rather than a group of high-tech servers. And this user can be anywhere in the world to host the internet service. The tech will protect the web and apps from hacking, crashing, and authoritarian governments taking control of the opinion. The dark web, which was created by the US government, also works on decentralized tech. The purpose of the dark web was to enable freedom of speech and protect people's identities, but these features enable criminals to operate freely on the dark web, and the same danger lies in Web 3.0. The decentralized web is already here. Nowadays, the Ethereum network is the largest community that runs decentralized networks, and it powers the cryptocurrency known as Ether and provides access to thousands of decentralized applications. Web 3.0 sounds promising besides the danger of criminal activities, but it is technologically far-fetched. The future is all about freedom, AI, and the line between machine intelligence and human intelligence is getting blurred with every new tech. Let us know in which direction you want the future of information to go. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.